Today we are learning the classic cocktail recipe, Amaretto Sour. Hey everybody, Michael from Polly here, and as I'm sure most people watching this would have had an Amaretto Sour in their life. Today we're showing you how. It's a very easy recipe, this one. Very similar to a whiskey sour, except we're using Amaretto instead of whiskey. Amaretto is a type of liqueur from Italy. Typically the flavour is sweet and bitter. This brand Disaronno is made from apricot oil, burnt sugar and herbs and spices to get that delicious flavour. So we're going to be doing 60 ml or 2 ounces of our Amaretto. We'll be doing half of that, which is our citrus, so 30 ml of lemon juice in this case. Freshly squeezed, no pulp, and half of the citrus is our sugar syrup. So 15 ml of our sugar syrup. And also, as this is a sour frothed up drink, we'll be using egg whites for that one. First up, bit of ice in our drinking glass, and now we'll prepare our garnish. So today I've already prepared this. We are using a maraschino cherry with a lemon wedge on a stick. One egg white from one full egg. $60 ml, already measured out 30 ml, lemon juice, and 15 ml, of our sugar syrup, adding the egg whites. If you are vegan, simply add aquafaba in place. As it's a sour, we're shaking twice. So for all sours or anything that needs frothing up, I like to shake it a little bit harder than normal. Dumping our ice, now dry shaking. So for egg whites, you don't have to shake hard and fast like an espresso martini. You can shake slower for between 30 seconds and a minute for optimal results. But when you're in a bar and customers are waiting, you want to do it short and fast, just to get it out as fast as possible. Dumping our ice. So you always dump ice because that would have had water in it, and you don't want that part of your drink. So fill your glass about half full. You don't want to go to the very top as this drink won't fit in. So as you can see, the beautiful froth on the egg. garnish, napkin, big smile, and trying it. That smells delicious. That is an amazing drink. What you can also do if you want to be a little bit fancy as well is grab your Angostura bitters, and what we're going to do is slash it across to get a nice line on top. So like this. Okay, I kind of messed up the line there, but we'll try one more time. There we go. So as you grab a straw, you can fix that up. So that way you get the aroma of the Angostura bitters as well. Thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed and hope you are thirsty also. We will see you at our next video.